Hey guys, so you know I'm in Gabby's room. I'm watching TV. So we should probably get into some more Groovepad.
You're actually too loud.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We should keep it quiet. Okay. It's time for a new song. It's called Lotus Flower.
Here are some lessons. Excuse me. Maggie, am I excited to try this Groovepad soundtrack?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, here we go. Let's get started. Alright. So, lesson 1. Okay, so that was basics. Chelsea tries to remind me of how I do this type of thing significantly. She doesn't want to get completely thrown out.
No.
Oh, got him. Okay, let's start lesson 2. Well, that was kind of terrifying when I tried to tap on that little chord there. And that voice is kind of unique and probably a little instigated. Oh, oh God, no. What's wrong? I'm just a little sarcastic. Sarcastic? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I like ice cream. You said ice cream? Well, I don't have any money to get that type of stuff. Well, let's go to lesson 3, guys. I do this every day. Holy fuck! Oh, that was too freaking close, I think. Told you I tap on the color-coded pads a little too horribly. Oh no, get out. Bro, I'm a little nervous and a little having anxiety when I tapped on them. It little freaks me out. What? Why are you too loud? because I want to be loud. Well, you're not supposed to actually be loud. Just gotta keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Yes, that's exactly what I'm telling you. Anyways, are you ready for the fourth lesson? Yes, I am. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Even though it gives me anxiety when I try to easily tap on the color coded pads with the sound loops that trades in. Probably because they're actually trying to go over and trying to easily accumulate itself. Oh yeah, I guess. Uh-huh. Probably so. Get this out of here. Stop it. Stop it! Okay, lesson 5. Didn't you believe I had an anxiety? Okay. If you say so. Oh, yes. Oh, because it's my dimensional process. Tries to evaluate documentary support. And, yeah. Sorry. But unfortunately, I think you're starting to get a little louder. Pretty intensified. When you do this every day on Groovepad? Yep. That's what I'm probably doing. Show me how to demonstrate this properly, baby. Okay, lesson 6. Here we go. Yo, you know those little loops actually go faster than that? But luckily I just aced this doggone determination. Oh. I don't know exactly what to do. But try to have to enforce you guys. Let's go to lesson 7. Okay. You said that? Yeah. Okay. possible breakthrough. Break through the recoveries of your exclusive life. We're gonna have to shape out my exaggeration there. Alright guys, so lesson 8, and then we'll go to the last one. No, I'm sorry. Okay, lesson 9 to lesson 10 is the last one, I believe. So it's probably gonna be a little easier than ever when you try to have some access between doing things that you can do on your own. Okay, here we go. I love the bells. They go ding ding. Okay, like that. It's pretty rare and try to have some contribution to your strategy. Especially you accomplish this goal. You try to get even more hard. Oh, I mean stronger. Sorry. Okay. That makes sense. Oh no, I'm not getting that now. Okay, lesson 9. Jesus, I was a little terrified. I just couldn't pay attention to what I'm doing, by the way. Oh my lord. I couldn't even pay attention. Because I was just tapping on the chord and then I pressed like boom, just like that. Wherever when you're pressing on it, it just makes the loops go even more faster. That's intention to the speed? No. No. Whatever. Okay. Listen to. Yeah, that busted into my jam. Alright, we're finished for this week. So what's the next song? Even though it's hard to pronounce that word, it's okay. We can rebundle it, probably. Just bundle it. Trying to aggressively pronounce that word. Okay. Thanks. Alright. It's luminescence. Okay. Luminescence. Oh. How do I pronounce it? Even though it's coming tomorrow. Oh well. I guess we got some lessons there. Is there some lessons? Yeah. Lessons. Okay. Anyway, let me close out the video. So thanks for watching this video. Please give subscribe, like, and comment. Which song do you think I should do first, next? And please give the video a big thumbs up. And peace out. Bye.